In today's video, I'm going to teach you make YouTube subscriptions private. If you don't want other people to see which channels you subscribe to, YouTube gives you a simple privacy switch. This won't change what you watch, who you're subscribed to, or your recommendations. It only controls whether your subscriptions are visible to others on your channel page and across YouTube. Let's walk through it together. Start on youtube.com while you're signed in. Look to the top right and click your account icon, the small profile picture. This opens your account menu, which is where YouTube keeps most personal and channel controls. If you don't see the icon, make sure you're logged in to the correct account before continuing. From that account menu, click Settings. This takes you to the central place for all your YouTube preferences. Think of Settings as your control panel. It manages playback options, notifications, billing, and, importantly for today, your privacy. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy in the left-hand sidebar. The Privacy section groups controls related to what others can see about your activity on YouTube, such as your liked videos, saved playlists, and your subscriptions. We're going to focus on the subscriptions control. On the Privacy page, turn on the option labeled Keep All My Subscriptions Private. When this switch is on, your list of subscribed channels is hidden from everyone else. You don't need to click Save. Changes take effect immediately. If the switch is already on, you're all set and don't need to do anything else. Here's what this change means in practice. People who visit your channel won't see the channels or subscriptions section populated with the creators you follow. Channels you subscribe to won't receive a public notification that you've subscribed, and your name won't appear in their list of recent public subscribers. Your existing subscriptions, notifications, and membership benefits, if any, remain exactly the same. You're only changing visibility. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Privacy is account-specific, so if you manage more than one YouTube or brand account, repeat this toggle for each one you want to keep private. Also, if you ever want to make your subscriptions public again, for example, to showcase creators you support, just return to the same privacy setting and turn the switch off. That's all there is to it. By using the built-in privacy setting, you keep control over what others can see without changing how you use YouTube day to day. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more private YouTube experience.